the oxygen cell and replacing it in the Ax60 SAFE-OX oxygen sensor. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 4 screws, keeping the lid onto the module. Once that's done, we will remove the lid from the module and put the module to the side. Now we will disconnect the connector, holding the PCB to the sensor, as such. And we have to now unscrew the port on the front and put the port to the side. Turning it back round, we can now remove the O2 cell and the PCB at the same time from the lid. We'll put the lid to the side. To remove the cell from the PCB, we've got to carefully remove the pins by pulling it ever so carefully, like so, and put the PCB to the side. Getting your new cell, put the PCB back on. The pins can only go on one way, so make sure they're on the right way, and then push it in. There we go. And push it in. Take the lid, put the cell back on through the hole. Flip the unit over, being careful to hold this in place. Get the port, screw the port back on. Nice and tight. Flip it back over. If it's moved, carefully move the cell back so it's nice and in line. Clip back in the PCB to the cell. Take the module, refit and rescrew.